Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlong.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's fun. Okay. What do we have here? And how do we accomplish it? I think this is a big square. Um, Well, the simplest, so actually the simplest is a radial gradient and one, two, three linear gradients. That's the simplest, I believe. So let's do that first. Let's get it done. Radial gradient, transparent. Let's call it 40 pixels. It's too small, but I don't care right now. And actually, we want it to be green, not transparent in the middle. Transparent. Yeah, so the center is green. It goes to transparent and then is green on the outset as well. And what we're seeing there is it's conforming to the element that it's on, and the body is 400 by 300. And so we need to add a keyword or a measurement to make that a circle. Okay, so let's get the numbers right. 80, 90 maybe. There's 90. Okay. So now that we have that, let's do a linear gradient. Linear gradient that is transparent, 40%. Oh, and we need it to be at an angle, so probably 45 degrees. And then this dark color, 60 degrees, 60% rather, and then transparent. I need a comma after that, and commas need to be in all the places. Okay, so that's wrong. But what if we do 46%? And nope, that's not the number I did. 46 and 54%. 53, 52, 53, and 47. It's close. So basically, we need the other one. We need the other angle. So negative 45 degrees. Same color stops, and we have the same problem. And then also very similar, but how about at 90 degrees? 47, 46, 45, 46, 47, 46. How about some numbers? How about 180 pixels? Or 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. And then this number would be what? 200 plus 15, 215 pixels. PX, not OX. I'll submit that. I think that we've got an error in using these percentages. We don't have perfect. We aren't perfect, so that's fine. Oh, we are. Actually, that's 100%. So minify, unit replace, and that's good enough. I know seeing those little lines irritates me, but sometimes it doesn't count, and maybe Safari is a little worse than Chromium. So that is the way to do it. With all gradients. So that ends up being 4 gradients in that case. Now, what if we were going to use some paragraph elements to do that? How would we do that? And could we do that? I think that what I want to do is, okay, so we're going to use margins. I'm going to set white as the background color. All right, so use margin 3. So I think that's right. 1, 32. Maybe 30 is correct. How tall is it? 2, 4, and then what, 70, 72? All right. If I do a border radius, I actually I don't think I really want to do that. Oh, no, I do. Probably border radius 30. No, wait, no. 50%. That's what I want. That's perfect. So that's dead on. So now that I have that, oh, how do I want to approach? So I think what I want is a linear. So I'm going to put a linear gradient on this, which is going to be transparent. And then this color. So what is it? Is it the and then the next color? So if I set a 0 on the second color stop and then give it an extent, 100 pixels, we'll see if we can get that edge to be exactly where I want. And then actually I want to do a rotate 90 degrees because what I want to do is I'm going to make 3 of these. Okay, so there we can see that. So 110, 105. And I think that means this other one will be, well, let's try 125 pixels and then 0. Or how about 135? Okay, I think that's it. That's what I want. Now, the rotate I don't want. I think what I want to do then is a mask. Yeah, mask. Mask, radial gradient, transparent, 60 pixels, and then the word red, 0. So right now we're rotating this 90 degrees so that we can see one of these. Okay, that's it. That's the figure that I want. Oh, I guess this doesn't actually solve. There's something else this doesn't solve, which is the white. Ha 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 ha. I forgot the white part, which is a little silly of me. Can I just do white? Oh, look at that. So I didn't think this through. So I do want that. Okay. So let's even though I'm doing this wrong, let's make the 3, and we'll say B and C, and we're going to say the rotate is a variable var, angle or 90 degrees, and then B is an angle of 45 degrees, and then C is an angle of minus 45 degrees. And we don't see that because I need a negative margin here. Minus 200, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that it? That's it. So it turns out, so I've got the little chunks there, but I think that, so here's what I want to do. I want to do a color. So P plus P, we're going to set a color of transparent. So that's dash dash C. And then here we do a var of dash dash C or white. And then we get what we want. And we'll submit that. I like that solution a little bit better. It's a little more complicated than plain gradients. Oh, and that's 99.9%. So it's a little off. Oh, that's interesting. interesting. Oh, I don't know why that's off. I mean, I think I can see it. Yeah, that's off. That's interesting. 71, 22. Well, I'm actually going to call that good. I did get to 100%. I'm not sure why that's that though. I'm too tired to follow this up, but that's interesting that that one's 99.9%. But I do have a 100% solution, so that's the good one. I'm glad I didn't do this part first because I'm glad I didn't do the 3 paragraph solution first. All right, that's good. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.